everyone! Welcome back to DJ Crafts! Today, we're rebuilding a cool cardboard robot from scratch, using simple materials you probably already have at home. Let's get started! Did you see the measurement? Cut that cardboard with your cutting tools! Be careful to use that tool! Assemble the body! Cut those parts! It's time to make an arm and legs! Cut 4 and 2 centimeter! Assemble those parts! Make 8 of this thing! Follow the marker on each part to make a cut! This thing is a joint of our arm! Connect with barbecue stick! Complete my arm! It's time to make a leg. Legs complete! Let's make my head! Cut 7 and 4 centimeter in cardboard. Make a hole using ruler or any round object. paint a color black. Using paper puncher to make my eye looks real. This is my neck jointer, which allows me to make movements like this. It's time to assemble! That's how you make your own cardboard robot. If you had fun watching or building along, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome DIY cardboard creations. Got an idea for our next project? Drop it in the comments below. I read them all. Thanks for watching, and remember, with just cardboard and creativity, anything is possible. See you in the next build.